Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to email your PowerPoint as a PDF directly. To email your PowerPoint as a PDF directly, you can do the following. Clicking on the small down arrow to see the Customize Quick Access toolbar, then select All Commands. Looking down for Email as a PDF attachment. Clicking Email as a PDF attachment, then select Add and press OK. Select on the Email as a PDF attachment icon, typing in the email address and sending the presentation as PDF. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.